The notion that vaccines are part of a plot by the Satanic New World Order to repress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has been circulating among some religious groups. According to this theory, vaccines are a tool used by a supposed secret society of powerful individuals and organizations to control and manipulate the population, particularly Christians. Proponents of this theory argue that vaccines contain hidden ingredients and toxins that can alter human behavior, making people more susceptible to mind control and less inclined to follow Christian values. They claim that by vaccinating children and adults, the government and other powerful entities are attempting to undermine traditional Christian beliefs and replace them with a more secular, one-world ideology. Some advocates of this view point to the fact that many vaccines are developed and produced by multinational pharmaceutical companies, which they claim are part of the New World Order. They argue that these companies are driven by a desire for profit and control, rather than a genuine interest in promoting public health. They also claim that the push for mandatory vaccination is a violation of individual rights and freedoms, particularly for Christians who may object to vaccines on moral or religious grounds. However, there is no credible evidence to support the claim that vaccines are part of a plot to oppress Christians. The development and distribution of vaccines are strictly regulated by government agencies, such as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) and the World Health Organization (WHO), to ensure their safety and efficacy. Numerous scientific studies have shown that vaccines are safe and effective in preventing the spread of infectious diseases, and that they do not contain any hidden ingredients or toxins that could be used for mind control. Moreover, the idea that vaccines are a tool of the New World Order is based on a distorted and inaccurate view of the relationship between government, business, and religion. While it is true that some pharmaceutical companies may prioritize profits over people, this does not mean that they are part of a secret conspiracy to control the population. Similarly, the fact that some governments and international organizations promote vaccination as a public health measure does not mean that they are seeking to undermine Christian values or impose a one-world ideology. It is also worth noting that many Christian denominations and organizations actively support vaccination as a means of promoting public health and protecting the vulnerable. For example, the Catholic Church has long been a strong advocate for vaccination, and many Protestant denominations have also endorsed vaccination as a moral and ethical imperative. In conclusion, the claim that vaccines are part of a plot by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a baseless conspiracy theory with no foundation in fact. Vaccines are a proven and effective means of preventing the spread of infectious diseases, and they are developed and distributed by reputable scientific organizations and government agencies. While there may be legitimate concerns about the safety and efficacy of certain vaccines, these concerns should be addressed through scientific research and debate, rather than through the promotion of unfounded conspiracy theories. By embracing vaccination and other public health measures, Christians and people of other faiths can work together to promote the common good and protect the health and well-being of all individuals.